The title of the exhibition is Power and Allure. Of all the words that could describe gold, those are two extremely important ones. The curator of the exhibition, I think, had a fantastic, simple ambition to tell the story of Britain for the last 4,500 years through the gold found in Britain and the objects made for some of the most important and powerful people in Britain. There are 400 individual objects here. Collectively, I think you would have to say they are priceless. We have a London Good delivery bar downstairs, and at today's value, we're talking about $660,000 worth of bullion.
Many people own gold as part of their portfolio, as diversification. So not only the jewellery aspects and its allure, its beauty, but also as a store of value and as nobody's liability. It's any currency you want it to be.
Perhaps the things you first notice are the grand ornaments of state, the cups, the chalices, the swords. But when you look closer, what you see at times are objects of extraordinary whimsy, a tiny mechanical mouse that scampers across the dining table. The two pieces we commissioned are the Pleiades collars from Wright and Teague, a beautiful coronet called Wreath by the artist Goldsmith Gasston.
It is a very ancient symbol of wealth, but it's also a timeless and beautiful metal. And I wanted to make something beautiful out of something timeless.
It consists of 7 rings of gold, which represent the 7 sisters, the Pleiades. And this group of stars, we know that was known to Bronze Age people. So that makes a further connection with Lanula, which is the most ancient piece they have on exhibition here from 2500 BC.
I've always worn my parents' stuff for different premieres and different things, and they've often made specific pieces for me, so it's just lovely to see a piece like this.
The great thing about this exhibition is that it's entirely free. The exhibition will run here at the Goldsmiths Hall for most of the summer, and it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see these objects brought together.